Meet the new era of website building, now more smarter and faster. This is aBlocks 2.0. Let's start with speed. We rebuilt the core, optimized every DOM element. Pages now load lightning fast. Next, no more bloated code. We generate only what you need, on demand. Cleaner sites, happier visitors. And yes, it's fully ready for full site editing. Your custom designs now stretch further. But wait, there's more. New blocks? Oh yes. Need quick access? The QR code block lets you scan and connect in a snap. With LoopBuilder, dynamic data now looks clean and beautiful. Player block lets you play video and audio from YouTube, Vimeo, or even self-hosted files. The form builder just leveled up. Add star ratings, hidden fields, and upload options with ease. Want more motion? Lottie Animation makes your site instantly engaging. Build full dashboards, no coding needed, with the Frontend Dashboard block. Creative, use image stack and shape things up with the shape divider for that modern interactive feel. Got a complex layout in mind? Grid Container keeps it stress-free. And to top it off, animated headings with eye-catching typing effects. Even better, video backgrounds now run smoothly on any block. This isn't just an update, it's a leap. From form builder to design patterns, from beginner-friendly to pro-ready, aBlocks 2.0 makes building your dream site fun again. Ready to create without limits? This is your builder. This is aBlocks 2.0.